Welcome back to class, dear student. In this lesson, I'm going to take you through how to set up Ethereum slash EVM blockchain wallet known as Metamask, which is the most popular Ethereum and EVM blockchain wallet for you as a Web3 developer, smart contract developer. So I'm going to take you step by step to set it up as a beginner. So that's as we continue our course on AI enhanced Web3 blockchain development 101 course, so that as a beginner, before you start fully into coding and developing the front end, middleware, back end of a dApp, you need to be able to work with wallet. You need to know what a crypto or Web3 wallet or blockchain wallet is, how to set it up, and we also discuss some things like the network. How do you switch the network? All those ones we discuss it. But basically, this lesson is just dedicated to set up the Metamask wallet. So in the lesson, if you go there, you'll be able to visit the site and go to Metamask website to be able to set it up. So what's a wallet for beginner? Just like your bank account, wallet serves as access to whatever fund you have. If you open a bank account with a bank, you have a unique bank address. So that's the same thing. When you have a wallet, you have a unique wallet number, which you can use to give to another person, just like your bank, to pay you into it. So at any time, you can use it to receive fund and things like that. The same thing as you go to become a pro developer, Web3 blockchain and smart contract developer, you will always work with wallet a lot in order to authorize transaction and do a lot of things like that. So the Metamask is usually the go-to wallet, number one top wallet when it comes to Ethereum and any EVM blockchain. If you want to learn about EVM and all those things, you should have gone through the previous lesson that will discuss all this. Now let's back to this. Once you are on the site, you want to look out for the button. So you should be able to install, but it's too bad that they are forgotten beginner. So they are full of marketing here. There's no even option to go to extension easily and things like that. You can imagine, developer, all those things. So anyways, you go to the Metamask extension. So I think I will add it up to the link of the course as well. So you go to the extension and you'll be able to add it. I already have added, so that's why you see it. Once you add it, you should go here and you will see something like this. So you click on it. If you want it to show here, for example, you pin it, you can see it. So you don't need to go, you can show. But if you don't want it to always show here, then you can just unpin and it will be hidden. So whichever you click on this, so for the first time it will open up to something like this and say, let's get started, trusted by million, and this. You agree and create a new wallet or import existing one. That's if you've had a wallet, maybe you move to another PC or something, then you need a kind of a secret phrase. Let's see. Let's see, secret recovery phase. So all these things, you need to keep it confidential. Is for you. You know, it's just like you give people access to your PIN to your credit card, and they have your credit number. You just go on social media, you post your credit card number and your ATM card number, and then the PIN. I'm telling you, then a lot of people all over the world can just use your money for free shopping. You get things, but bank is even still better, because let's say you do that happen by mistake, because I believe a person in his or her right mind will not do that. So if that happened by mistake, then you can easily go and list your credit card or ATM card or debit card. That means that card will be cancelled. Any transaction for it will not access your bank again, and then you can get another card, and that's end it. But that's not the same for Web3. You need to understand, once this seed phase, you lose it out, anyone that have access forever will continue to have access. You yourself can't change it. You will also have access to it to be able to withdraw, but they also have access to it, so you don't want that kind of issues. The other aspect is, if you lose it, then you lose access to the money. Nobody can just help you recover it without this, not even Metamask. So it's your responsibility. That's why I take time to explain that to you. So let's go back. So you want to create a new wallet, and that's why you should never show this to people. Create new wallets. If you want to agree to do this, you can agree. Then create password. This password will unlock your wallet only on this device. So you shouldn't mistake this. This one is just because when you have your wallet, let's say somebody just have access to your PC, for example, or you share your PC with others, they can just go in, copy your seed phrase and go and use it elsewhere, or transfer your money directly. So to avoid that, you can still have it and other people can still use your PC without having access by this password. So just like your phone, your app, you put like some pin or all these access to lock it. So that's the same thing we are doing here. So once you put that, you click I understand that I cannot recover this password for me, but this is not issue. Even if you forget it, you can just uninstall Metamask or log out and then put your seed phrase and restart. But that seed phrase is what you can recover. So create a new wallet. You can see this now. Remind me later, secure my wallet, recommended. So seed recovery phase, 12 word that is master key to your wallet and your phone. How do I save it? Save in password manager, store in save deposit, write down, store in multiple secret places, because you must not lose it. You won't have access to your phone, and it must not be exposed to third party. Then they can also have access to your fund. So never share. If someone asks you, they are likely trying to scam and steal your wallet fund. So the next thing we want to do is secure my wallet, recommended. Write down your secret recovery phrase. So you can see it now. Make sure nobody's looking. So before you review this, make sure nobody's looking. But I'm going to review this because I'm not going to use this wallet just for this video to show you how it looks. You can see. So it's this kind of 12, which you can copy to clipboard. And then next, it asks you to fix some of those recovery phase. So if we have viable goods, the next one is half slots. Just to confirm, then before they add, we have shoe. You see, it won't work. You see it now. Immediately I get it right, it works. So never share this. This should be confidential. I won't be using this wallet. Like you have seen, a lot of people, students will be watching this. they can access that wallet at any point in time because they have this service, and I can't change it. You can't change it, you can't block it. You understand? So you need to be very careful. Then confirm wallet creation successful. Then got it. Install is complete. So like I said, you can use this to pin it if you want it to be showing. If you don't want, then you have it. Then next, done. So you can see it now. You now have your wallet. What's new? So let's quickly have a run through. As a beginner, you have the token. Usually I told you this Ethereum. I've also done for Solana wallet and any other blockchain we work on. So as developer, you need to be familiar with this wallet. Basically, you have your account. You can create multiple accounts. So you can see it. So by creating multiple accounts here, doesn't make, let's say somebody compromise this wallet. Like this wallet is already compromised, because as many of you watching this video, this lesson video, will eventually have access to check it out. So, and then I go ahead to create another wallet. That doesn't make it secure. Any wallet you create to this, whoever have access to that secret phase, we have access to this wallet. If you like it, create a dozen of them. So once you know it's compromised, move your wallet, your fund as fast as possible, create a new one, a new, sign out entirely, create a new, or if you are not sure, uninstall Metamask entirely and start over and create a new one. Then find a way to log in elsewhere on this and transfer it. So you also have Metamask on mobile and transfer it there. So not creating additional one doesn't, because they will have access to it, even if it's a dozen account attached to that seed phase. So you have it is the Ethereum blockchain uses it. If we go back here, you can see it. Then on Solana you have so the name of the coin of the blockchain for Ethereum is called it. Then on Solana is so. I think on Polygon is Matic, on Avalanche is Avax, and so on and so forth. So let's go back. So that's why the number, the amount that you have will be here. So when you open for sure, it will be 0 USD watts. Then you have here where you can change the network. So we'll go back, get to that in upcoming video, but lessons video. So just, you can buy, you can send, you can swap. Swap means you change from one token to the other. You say I want to change to like stablecoin USDT or USDC, whichever you prefer. Then if I say one ETH, fetching codes, you say not enough ETH, but it's telling me it's worth about 2,385 US dollar. So, and this will be the fee. Can you imagine the fee I'll be paying? Like $50 or so. So whereas I think on Solana this maybe far less, maybe $5 or so, or less. So now let's go back, and you'll be able to swap. Then the bridge is if you want to move from one, let's say you want to bridge your token on Ethereum to like maybe Polygon or Solana and things like that. So that's what bridge is about. Help you to take a token from one blockchain and use it in another blockchain. So you usually see it on different blockchains. They call them like W, can be wrap, BTC, WBTC, WETH, WSO, and things like that. So they will wrap it. Then your portfolio, you can have access to your portfolio. We input it there. Let's see. So you can have access to it. Assuming this close off, you can always have access to it. Yeah. Expand view, yeah. So it's open much better like this. Then you have your token. You have learned about token in previous lessons. So if you don't, by now, you'll now understand we have different tokens, and the tokens you have, which you can also record this a coin for the default token of the blockchain. Then any other one, you can import them here. You put the smart contract address of the token, and then it will show up here. Enable token detection. You can, so that I can auto detect some of them. So you can search, let's say USDT. Let's say it's now Theta. You add, import. If you have any balance, it will show you. Then we can go back and you see it. So as many tokens you have, it will be there. The same before this wasn't, but now Metamask as well shows you your NFT. So that's your type of token that are non-fungible. We've discussed in previous lessons. So all this, I'm taking the time to explain to you. You are free to skip if you're already a pro, but I'm always conscious this is a beginner focus course. So at times we easily get lost in the fact that what we know, that we feel everybody has known it, or like beginners, they know it. No. So the NFT, then if you have anything like you have an OpenSea or things like that, you can see them here. You can turn on auto detection if you want. Then activity, when you do a transaction, all those things will be shown here. So those are the basic things actually you need to know. This can show you account details. So if you want to send to someone, for example, to send you token or to pay you or whatever, this like your bank account that you copy. Always make sure you copy. These things are long and very difficult to add. So don't, make sure you don't, try to keep it off it or something, because if you mistype anything, you will lose your phone. So, and then this also have a private key. You see money. I'm showing you all this, so you should also back this up. You can see it, hold to review. So the difference between the seed phase and your private key is that the seed phase is about the whole Metamask account associated with that particular, the first account you set up. It allows you to set up multiple wallets that can be attached to a single account. But each of that wallet, you may decide you want to access just that single wallet through at a point in time. You understand? So that's what each wallet has its own private key that give access to it. So you should know the difference. This, if you open another wallet, inside this now, it will have its own different private key. So all this, never share it. Anyone that have, you can't change it again. You can say, I can add a new account, call it account 2 and create. You can see I have multiple accounts. So this also has its own private key. But anyone that have access to the 12 seed phase have access to as many of these accounts as I open. So you understand? So that's it. Like I said, you need to dip yourself in, get engaged, use wallet, use crypto, use that existing DApp and all those things. And as you do that, it will enhance your knowledge better as you begin to now go into other courses that will be following this. They are all free on the Programming University that we will be learning more on the front end, HTML, CSS, React, Svelte for decentralized application, middleware like Web3 JS, Ether.js, then back end using Solidity or vanilla Solidity on Ethereum and EVM, and then others like Solang Solidity for Solana, maybe any other blockchain we do in future. So that's it for this lesson. I will see you in the next. I remain Solomon Foske of the Programming University. Always keep the programming spirit alive, and please do good to humanity and nature with your knowledge and programming skill, and not evil, to make the world and the universe a better place for us all. Thank you. See you in the next lesson. Peace and bye.